Greetings! Summer! The time of the year where a lot of us go on vacation. I usually take a break to go see the family during the summer. My parents live not too far from Old Quebec City, and I love to visit every year. I find the place beautiful and incredibly inspiring. Every time, the same question comes back. What do I bring with me to document my trip and to draw? I could go for the same things every time, but my preferences and options always change and evolve. So here's what I'm thinking of bringing with me this time. First off, the filming supplies. My gear comes in two parts. First one is a gorilla tripod, and the second one is a pouch that holds everything else. In the pouch, I have a mini camera in a soft case, more on it a bit later. I also have the tripod plate, which I can clip into the top of the tripod. Then, I have the charger and transfer cable for the camera. I keep the memory cards in this small wallet thing, the user's manual, a cleaning cloth for the lens, and the clip plate for the camera. In the small wallet, I have a USB micro SDHC card reader and extra memory cards if I end up filming a lot and need extra space for footage. In the soft case is a sports camera that I was recently sent to try out and review. I thought that a trip would be a really fine setup to try it out. I have it clipped in this frame that allows to screw it on a tripod plate. It can also be used with the clip plate that snaps into the back to conveniently clip the camera onto bag straps or clothing. I will also bring the plate to attach my phone to the tripod, but I can't show it as I need it to film right now. The second important category of things to bring is art supplies. I was able to fit everything in a second pouch. The largest item in this one is a towel in a Ziploc bag. I don't like using paper towels, so I always bring one of these. Then, I have a small sketchbook. This one is a traveler's notebook with the watercolor book insert, passport size. I've never used that insert before, so I'll be testing it out. I try to bring as few pencils as necessary, so I have a mechanical pencil, an eraser, and a fountain pen with waterproof ink in it. For paints, I'm bringing the mini quarter pan set from Rowney. I've tweaked the colors in this set to my tastes. When painting on the go, there are two options for brushes. One is to bring a water brush, which is the brush attached to a reservoir that you can fill with water. It's more convenient, but I find it hard to control the water as it comes out the tip. The second option is to bring a small jar, water bottle, and short brushes. Here I have a small plastic bottle, a tiny jam jar, and a roll with a few short brushes in it. In the roll, I have 3 flat brushes and 4 round ones. I haven't tried these brushes a lot, but they are really nice so far. I also have a roll of painting tape in the pouch, but I am not sure if I'll indeed bring it along. I also realized that I should possibly bring an extra notebook insert just so I can sketch down ideas and random things. I went back and added a dotted insert to my traveler's notebook, using a rubber band to combine the two notebooks and fit them in the cover. Gotta love how customizable traveler's notebooks are. I also clipped a traveler's notebook ballpoint pen to the side. I love these for sketching, as they don't smudge when dry. The very last category of items I'm considering is computer related. I've never really traveled with my computer since my usual setup is not travel friendly. However, I've recently updated this older, small laptop. It's small and easy to carry and quite convenient for browsing and replying to emails and managing YouTube stuff. It's also quite handy for references. I would bring it with its charger cable and an extra mouse, but then again, I'm still a bit unsure about bringing this with me. It might make for too much baggage to carry on top of everything else. Because of course I'm bringing clothes and toiletries and all that. Those are just not very interesting to show. And that's about it for all the non-essential stuff I'm thinking about bringing along. I will probably go back and forth a bit right until I have to go, but I'll see about sharing an update on what I brought and used when I come back. What are you bringing on vacation this summer? Or what did you bring? Let me know in the comments below. Take care, bye bye.